Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the simple prerequisites so you can move quickly. Check Xbox Live and Fortnite server status first. Inspect the headset, battery, cable, and the controller jack because poor seating or low power causes mute issues. Then open settings and verify privacy and online safety voice chat permissions for your account and any child profile. Make sure party chat is allowed. Once done, restart the console and the Fortnite app to clear temporary glitches and proceed to deeper network and audio checks. Now focus on network and audio configuration so voice routes correctly. Run the Xbox network test. An open NAT is ideal, but moderate can work. If strict appears, fix your router or use UPnP. Next, set headset format and volume on the console and disable chat mixer features that duck game audio incorrectly. In Fortnite's audio options, choose the exact input and output device and raise input levels. Press the push-to-talk or mute toggle to verify it isn't engaged. Once configured, rejoin a party to confirm voice. Finish by eliminating lingering state and hardware variables. Power cycle both console and router, and clear the alternate MAC if Xbox prompts. This resets network layers. If issues persist, swap to another headset or controller to determine if hardware is faulty, because physical jacks and mics fail more often than software. As a last step, remove and re-add your Xbox account or reinstall Fortnite. This resets cached permissions without harming cloud saves. Troubleshooting tip. If voice works in parties but not in-game, double-check Fortnite's privacy settings and NAT one more time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.